Today we are going to learn about type 2 diabetes. So in type 2 diabetes, this is found in overweight 40-year-old people. So as a depiction of what happens in type 2 diabetes is in the stomach, food and bread and cake, sugary and carbohydrates is broken down into glucose. As they're broken down into glucose, they are passed through the bloodstream to go to the other cells and other organs. As they go through the bloodstream, this sends a signal to the pancreas to send a signal of insulin, the hormone, which allows it to be almost as if it's the leader of the glucose. So as glucose follows along with the insulin, they are able to go to the cell walls and be able to open them because they are the key. The insulin acts as the key for them. But however, in type 2 diabetes, because these people are mostly overweight, they'll have fatty deposits around their cell walls, which enables the insulin to go through, and so they're blocked off. So as this happens, the glucose is just waiting around there, so is the insulin. So there is a increase in glucose and an increase in insulin. So to get rid of this waste of glucose, when the glucose is there, they will send more signals to the liver to send more glucose, but because there's such an up level, this increases in even more. So to get rid of this glucose, the kidneys will deposit it in urination, so that's why people will urinate a lot more, and they're more thirsty because the kidneys are making them more dehydrated because there's less water. However, now there's no energy left.
So why is there no energy?
Yes, exactly. So what happens is, because glucose is that sugar for our brain and for the rest of the cells, we're more lethargic and more tired. This also happens with glaucoma because there's a fusion of glucose around the eyes, and also neuropathy, which basically, because there's such a high blood glucose, then the tips of people's fingers will not be so comfortable. That's it.